If you buy one coffee every single morning, that little cup is secretly robbing your banana stash, and Monkey going to show you exactly how much. Here is where we start. You hand over a few leaves, you get warm bean water. Here is where we finish. The exact number of bananas that cup quietly steals from you in a year, and the trail of monkeys who took them. Monkey follow the leaf. Let go. Monkey wake up. Monkey tired. Monkey walk to coffee cave. Monkey hand over 3 leaves. Monkey get 1 coffee. Monkey feel awake. Life good. 3 leaves is nothing. 3 leaves is a rounding error. Monkey not even notice 3 leaves leave monkey hand, but those 3 leaves do not go to 1 monkey. Those 3 leaves get split up, passed around, and taken apart. And the split is exactly where the robbery begins. So where do the 3 leaves actually go? The coffee bean travel far before it reach monkey mouth. First, far away farmer monkey grow the bean in the hot jungle. Farmer monkey work all season long. Farmer monkey get a tiny sliver of your leaf, barely a leaf crumb. Then the bean ship across the ocean to a trader monkey. Trader monkey take a slice. Then a roaster monkey burn the bean brown. Roaster monkey take a slice. By the time the bean reach your cave, 6 monkeys already touched your 3 leaves, but nobody has taken the biggest slice yet. The biggest slice go to the coffee cave itself. This is called the markup, the gap between what the coffee costs to make and what you actually pay. Making the coffee costs maybe half a leaf. You pay 3 leaves. The cave keep the rest to cover rent, the loud bean machine, and the barista monkey who spell your name wrong. That gap, in monkey business words, is the margin. And coffee has one of the fattest margins of any drink a monkey can buy. But the cave making money is not the robbery. The real robbery has not even started. And the bean price itself is not even stable. Coffee is a traded good, like oil, like gold. Its price swing wildly on things monkey cannot control. In 1975, a brutal frost hit the faraway coffee jungles of Brazil and killed huge numbers of coffee trees overnight. Bean become rare. Bean become expensive. Coffee price around the whole world jumped for years, and when the bean cost more, the cave did not eat the cost. The cave passed it straight to you. Monkey always pay. Barista monkey lean over the counter. That will be 3 leaves. Monkey say, but the bean only cost half a leaf. Barista monkey say, yes, but you are paying for the vibes. Monkey look around. There is 1 wobbly stool and a plant that is definitely fake. These vibes? These vibes. You could say monkey got beaned. No, wait. Okay, monkey pay. Monkey always pay. Because monkey need the coffee more than monkey need 3 leaves. And that need is exactly what gets exploited next. And coffee is the perfect drink to run this robbery with. Why coffee and not, say, a fancy meal? Because a fancy meal is a treat. Monkey buy it sometimes. But coffee has caffeine, and caffeine make monkey brain need it again tomorrow. A one-time treat cannot rob you. A daily need can. The coffee cave is not selling monkey a drink. The coffee cave is selling monkey a habit. And a habit pays out every single morning without monkey ever deciding to buy again. Here's the trick the coffee cave figured out long ago. 3 leaves feel small because you only ever see 1 cup at a time. But monkey do not buy 1 cup. Monkey buy 1 cup every day, forever. 3 leaves times 7 days is 21 leaves a week. 21 leaves times 4 is over 80 leaves a month. You never decided to spend 80 leaves. You decided to spend 3 and then forgot and then did it again. This slow leak has a name. Monkey money experts call this the latte factor. A small habit purchase repeated so often it quietly drains the banana stash while you stare at the big expenses instead. Now, 1 monkey in the troop is already shouting. This monkey brew coffee at home. Home bean cost half a leaf a cup. Home monkey feel very smug. Home monkey say, monkey, I have beaten the robbery. Hold that thought, home monkey. Monkey coming back for you. Because saving the leaf is only step 1. What you do with the saved leaf is where it gets wild. Every leaf you do not spend on coffee is a leaf you get to keep. But a kept leaf can do more than just sit in the stash. A kept leaf can be planted. This is called opportunity cost. The bananas you gave up by choosing coffee instead of choosing something that grows. When monkey buy coffee, monkey not only lose 3 leaves, Monkey lose everything those 3 leaves could have become. And leaves, when planted right, do not just sit there. Leaves make more leaves. Say, monkey, take the 80 leaves a month. Monkey was spending on coffee and plant them in an index grove instead. An index grove grows slow but steady, roughly 7 new leaves for every 100, every year. Year 1, not much. Monkey barely noticed, same way monkey barely noticed the 3 leaves leaving. But here's the part the coffee cave hopes you never do the math on. The grove pay you on your leaves, and then it pay you on the leaves your leaves made. After 10 years of planting coffee money instead of drinking it, that grove hold not just the leaves you put in, it hold roughly double. After 20 years, more than triple. After 30 years, the little 3-leaf cup you forgot about every morning has quietly turned into a pile of leaves taller than the treehouse. Same 3 leaves, 2 completely different endings. One warms your hands for 4 minutes. The other could buy the whole coffee cave. Remember smug Home Monkey? Home Monkey was half right. Home Monkey saved 2.5 leaves per cup by brewing at home. But Home Monkey then spent the savings, feeling proud, and planted nothing. Saving the leaf and planting the leaf are 2 completely different steps. Home Monkey did step 1 and skipped step 2. So Home Monkey still got robbed, just a little slower. The robbery was never really about the coffee at all. So what is the actual theft? Here is what your morning cup actually steals. Not 3 leaves. It steals the grown-up version of those leaves, the tall future pile they would have become if you had planted them instead. That is the robbery. The coffee cave takes 3 leaves today. Compound growth takes the thousands of leaves those 3 could have grown into. You feel the 3. You never feel the thousands because they never got to exist. That is why a stash can shrink while you swear you never spend on anything big. The big thing is small, and it happens every single morning. So what do Monkey do? Monkey does not have to quit coffee. Coffee good, coffee make Monkey a functioning ape. Monkey just count the cup. Add up what you spend on it in a month. Then plant even half of that in a grove and let it grow. Small leaf, repeated, robs you. Small leaf, repeated, can also make you rich. Same trick, just pointed the other way. And this is not financial advice. Monkey is a cartoon gorilla. Please do not sue Monkey. Thanks for following the leaf all the way down, troop. That is 1 for the Primate Portfolio. If you want to see exactly how 1 planted leaf turns into that whole tall pile, the video already glowing on your screen breaks it down leaf by leaf. Go watch that one next.